The Trump administration is seeking to deport Mahmoud Khalil, a Columbia University student who was arrested by Immigration and Customs Enforcement officers in early March after he participated in pro-Palestinian protests. ICE initially planned to revoke Khalil's student visa, following orders from the State Department. However, when they were informed that Khalil was also a lawful permanent resident of the United States, they announced that they would revoke his green card and transfer him to an immigration detention facility in Louisiana, pending a deportation hearing. The Department of Homeland Security said ICE officers arrested Khalil under President Trump's executive order on combating anti-Semitism in schools. However, Khalil's arrest has sparked criticism as many people say he was treated unfairly and illegally. The incident also raises questions about whether international students and permanent residents with green cards can avoid the risk of being deported from the U.S. under the Trump administration. Green card holders are people who have legal permanent residence status in the U.S. Jacqueline Kelly Widmer, a professor of immigration law at Cornell Law School, said that legal permanent residents generally receive many protections and are perhaps the most protected group after U.S. citizens. However, this protection is not absolute. According to experts, green card holders can still be deported if they commit certain crimes, fail to notify immigration officers when changing their address, or enter into a sham marriage. An immigration judge will make the final decision on whether to revoke the green card. Immigrants also have the right to appeal the decision. The U.S. government said it had the right to revoke Khalil's green card and deport him under Section 237 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. The law states that a person can be deported if the Secretary of State has reason to believe that their presence and activities have serious adverse consequences for the foreign policy of the United States. Non-citizens do not need to be charged with a crime before being deported under this provision. The Trump administration has not yet clarified what foreign policy risks Khalil's presence in the United States poses. But Secretary of State Marco Rubio and other administration officials have supported Khalil's deportation, accusing him of creating a hostile environment for Jewish students at Columbia University. Combating anti-Semitism is one of the Trump administration's foreign policy goals. In recent weeks, several green card and visa holders have been arrested at ports of entry and held for weeks in ICE facilities.